Hello my beautiful people, how are you? Welcome to my beauty studio slash room. I do not like this setting. I'm sure it's not gonna stay like this. I'm going to figure out, okay? Please bear with me. So today I have a tutorial on this beautiful makeup look I filmed for TikTok the other day, and you guys wanted me to film it for YouTube as well, so here we are now. And I missed you guys. How are you? Anyway, if you guys want to see how I created this beautiful makeup look, then keep on watching. So I'm going to start with the Sheglam eyeshadow primer, and this one is in my face. I'm going to do one eye on camera, and then because I don't want this video to be too long, you guys, this is super easy to achieve. I was so uninspired that day when I was live on TikTok. I didn't know what to do, and I created this beautiful cat eye whatever makeup look. I'm going to use one eyeshadow from the Latte 2 palette, and then one eyeshadow from the Sunrise from Focallure. You only need 2 eyeshadows for this tutorial. I don't know about the lighting. I really hope this is good, like you can see the colors and stuff. In my viewfinder it looks pretty okay. So I'm starting with Coffee Beans, and it's this beautiful deep brown shade right here. And I'm going to apply this. Oh wait, I think I used Scotch tape. By the way, I'm also live on TikTok. Okay. And I'm going to create that cat eye effect. And you don't have to be precise, because we will clean it with some micellar water. Next, I'm going to take this tiny little pencil brush, and I'm going to use the other eyeshadow I told you guys. And I'm going to apply this right here to kind of blend them together so it doesn't look that harsh. And again, you don't have to be precise. Next, I'm going to create that cut crease situation. I don't even know how to call it. I see a lot of beauty like influencers doing that, and I always thought it's so hard to achieve it, but oh my goodness, you won't believe how easy it is. So I'm going to start with the darkest shade. I'm going to use the exact same shades. I'm using a very tiny brush like this one, and I'm going to create this line. It's more like a cut crease, but it's not a cut crease. I don't know how to explain it. You guys, I can't believe we reached 1 million on this shorts video on YouTube. That's freaking insane to me, because when I filmed that video, I was like, let me just do this. I was oiling my hair. It looks super greasy, super oily. And I said, let me just try this makeup, crying girl makeup. And it got 1 freaking million views. And I think I gained 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 plus subscribers. So that video blew up like recently, now, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago maybe. It was insane to me. Yesterday I noticed that it has 1 million views. I can't believe that, and honestly I love that energy. I want that vibe on all of my YouTube videos, not gonna lie. So next I'm going to take, again, give me mocha with the same brush, and I'm going to start blending this line here. I know it looks crazy. Trust the process, okay? If you don't believe in yourself, then who will? Who will? So give yourself more credit, okay? If I can do this makeup look, you can totally do it as well. You don't even have to be talented. Let me tell you, you just have to be patient, okay? That's the key. That's the secret. If you don't like it, wipe it and start again. It's that simple. So I'm going to blend this a little bit because it looks harsh. So I'm going to slowly buff this out and maybe pick a little bit of that, give me mocha eyeshadow. But I mostly want to, you know, blend this upwards. Next I'm going to take this tiny angled brush and I'm going to clean under here and also the cat eye situation, because we want a sharp line in there. So I'm picking some micellar water. You can use a Q-tip, but I feel like a tiny brush is a little bit more precise. Use whatever you have. I'm going to try not to breathe for this part. Nice. Are you guys ready? Oh my, wow, I am impressed myself. Okay, so I'm going to do the other eye off camera and be right back. Okay, next I'm going to go with this beautiful diamond pigment, whatever this is called. This is from Kaima Cosmetics and it's called Buttercup, but I really like this as it is, like without the sparkle. I'm using the NYX glitter glue. And slowly, very slowly, I'm going to pick this pigment. It's so beautiful. On my bottom lashes, I'm going to apply the same eyeshadow. So first I'm going to start with the darkest one. And then I'm going to go with Give Me Mocha. I want to keep this as simple as possible and very accessible. So you can guys achieve it as well. I'm telling you, this is super easy. And I know it looks sophisticated, but it's not. You already saw that. Okay, I think that looks nice. Camera, don't be shady. So basically that's it. I'm going to go with my I think Demi Wispies from Ardell. You already know I'm going to use my Colourpop BFF lip liner. Like, this is my jam. And I'm going to obviously overline my lips. So this is the eye makeup. I honestly freaking love it. As I said, I was so uninspired that day, but then I came up with this, so I don't know, I just love it. So let me know about the setting, because this is my first time filming a makeup tutorial in this setting. I don't know about the lighting. I'm only using my ring light and natural light, and I love that for me, but honestly I don't know how that will transfer on camera. Like in my viewfinder it looks okay. I guess that's it. Please bear with me on that. You guys, I forgot about these pearls. How can I? Oh, that's a little bit too high up. This is giving Euphoria vibes, more like Maddie vibes, right? Denise, thank you so much for the follow. Thank you. Alright, you beautiful people, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. And as I said, I find this makeup tutorial super easy, and I'm sure you can achieve it as well. Like, you don't need to be good at doing makeup. This was super easy. As you saw, it, like, all you need is a little bit of patience, and that's it. So let me know what you think down below. And I think that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you guys in my next one.